Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about this white patch vitiligos. So I'm going to do the patch test for this client on the center of this white lab patch, not the whole thing. As we all know, we recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. Once the patch test got succeeded, we'll proceed and go ahead with the remaining places of the body. So first we are doing with the patch test. As you can see, we are matching with the exact skin tone. The output is coming really cool and it's matching her exact tone. So when we do the fresh one, there will be small bleeding, little swelling will be there, but that's completely normal. It's all will get settled down. Usually the healing period for the vitiligo is anywhere between 3 weeks to 4 weeks. We recommend our clients to wait for 3 to 4 weeks after this patch test done. Then if you feel like that success happened, or you can take a picture of your vitiligo and share it to us on a WhatsApp. Our team will confirm you whether you got the output or not. Once you got the output, then you can come down, book an appointment, come down here. We can proceed with the remaining places in your body. And we have attached our contact number in the description as well as in the title. So if you have any doubts, please do contact us. Our team will be helpful to you. And as you can see, we are matching with the exact skin tone. It's going really smooth. Many of them thinks that it's going to be so much painful. No, it's not. But I will not say it's completely painless. Pain will be there, but it's much more bearable. It will not be so much that is like unbearable. It's bearable, so you don't need to worry about the pain so much. And we request everyone to book an appointment and then visit us, because every artist cannot able to do this. It requires a special skill and then the license. I'm a Suresh Machu and I'm a licensed artist of American Academy of Micropigmentation. So please book an appointment and come down. So accordingly our team will help you to proceed further. If you do not book an appointment and visit us, then there are chances your waiting time will get increased. So many of the clients comes from the different states, different countries without taking an appointment. So we highly recommend please book an appointment. We have attached our contact number in the description as well as in the title. And this process is zero infection free and zero maintenance. Yes, you don't need to do any of the specific maintenance in this treatment. You can just relax. We'll be provided the cream to you. You can apply that cream and that's it. That will take care of all the things. So here you can see this is the patch test result. It is so smooth. There's a small reddishness, but it will get settled down. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Don't hang mute.